De Tequila, Clase Azul, de Impressions.
It's a brand or the Clase Azul in this property. So we really hope that you enjoy the dinner tonight. I'm not sure about the Bahamas. Bahamas like nice as well. Around 4 years. So it's not open. From what has different flavor, it is really delicious with the next flavor. And what about Mexicano Durango? So it takes more or less around 12. We just use the pineapple, but they are on the ground. So it's a very hard work, okay? So that's in the tequila industry. Classes of tequila, we try to do like all the things. 1 year is like everybody knows. American white oak barrel, previously just for bourbon. So the taste, also you're going to find a little bit of wood that you look at it white because the barrel was this color. That tequila, 25 months, we wait and
Rossini, but with kind of salsa that is with more than some vegetables. So we puree that has been roasted, and on top fill it with pig, tomato, and mint. Make it a little bit more fresh. Enjoy.
unique experience because of all the 72 hours for cooking to evaporate. So we're going to have this tequila is the same as the and what about the bottle? This bottle is to paint it. This is painted. So the people that take this bottle, we take the bottle into the all the time, all that I already for you that if you're going to drink something, no, about what we do, about what
For the design of the bottle, know how it originally came.
which is Santa Maria Canchesa. And I don't know how they discovered